Favorite singer ko yan, si Andrew.
Big daw, big love.
Big love. I love you. Okay. At boyfriend mo po siya? Boyfriend mo po siya? Hindi. Amo mo? Pasensya na po. Kasi naman yung suot mo
Cute ni ate.
si ate off-shoulder ba tawag?
Venus ka.
Venus ka. Oh. Ikaw talaga si Amo. Amo niya akaw. Oh. You know what Amo is? Amo? Amo is? Boss. Oh. Ha? Asawa niya? Niloloko mo ka, asawa mo pala niya. You're married, how nice. Is that your son, the one in yellow? Ha?
The one in the yellow with the white hair?
Yeah. You're very old already, ha? You're very stressed. Boss mo naman to. Kailangan, bakit tabi talaga yung boss? Oo. Ba't kayo tawa ng tawa? Bira kayo.
So, okay, kilala po ata nila si ate kasi, kaya...
Kilala niyo. 36 years married po lang po ka naman. That's very good.
Grabe naman.
What's the secret for the long-lasting marriage?
Senior wife.
Sweet. What else? Chinese food. Chinese food. What else? Secret. So that I will last also and Angeline will last with her husband. How is the secret? Give money to the wife. Thank you.
That's all.
Ha? Prime credit? Siya pa yung boss? Boss pala natin. Niloloko ko yung boss. Hello, you're the boss. I'm so sorry. I thought, you're the boss? You're the boss?
Si ate ang boss, Sir Ogie.
You're the boss pala. Bayad na ba tayo dito? Ha?
Friendship!
Friendship? Di bago tayong kaibigan. Diyos ko.
Friend, matagal ko ito.
Grabe naman to.
Kalaro ko yan dati sa chess.
Ay, gano'n? Dapat pinapanalo mo yan lagi.
Palagi siyang panalo sa car wash. Doon kami lagi nag-chess.
Grabe. Niloko ko pa ng kanyang Venus ka. Sino naman to? Ha? Asawa ni Congressman? Sino po? Sino po? So, Consul General? Pambihira naman. Wife of the Consul General. Nakapasensya na po kayo. Ano mo, wala talaga akong responsibility sa kanila. Kayo po pala asawa ng Consul General. Asa po si Consul General? Nasa work.
Buti naman.
Buti naman. Baka naman ayaw lang niya manood sa akin. Ayaw. Kayo po representative. Thank you very
Yes.
for coming over and paying us. You know, if you have this again next year, you get us again.
Yes.
Again and again and again.
Better you give him our cell phone number.
Yes, it's 0918.
Yes.
I love Prime Credit. It's the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
Prime Credit, we love you guys.
We love you. We love you. Do you love Prime Credit? Yes! Lahat ba kayo nagpa-Prime Credit? Yes! Ayan. Maybe you need endorser. You want endorser? I give you my number. Alright. Maraming salamat sa Prime Credit. Ayan. Yaman din lamang ito'y para sa Prime Credit. At lagi nilang ipinapangako ang magandang serbisyo.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Natumbok.
Aabot ang pera, makakautang ka, na hindi mo binabayan. Hindi ba? I said they will pay all the time, on time. Oh yes. With no interest. Yes, this is for you, Prime Credit, and para sa ating mga kababayan.
Para po sa inyo lahat.
Itaas niyo yung mga ano niyo. Ayan.
I love you too, ate.
Itaas niyo po yung inyo.
Thank you very much po.
Mabuti pa yung mga pag-ganyan. Nag-iiba ba ng kulay yan? Sige nga, ibahin niyo yung kulay. Can you change the color? Oy, how nice!